Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open your Gmail account in the web browser and then you search for unread emails. Now at the top of this search bar over here, click on it and then you type is column unread. So once you do that, you click on it. It's going to search for all unread messages on your. This will display all unread emails in your inbox. So once you've gotten the next thing you're going to do to select all of them. Remember, we're trying to mark all. You click on this box here, and then you click on this one. This envelope here to mark as read, and that's it. Now, the term conditions were marked as read. It's as simple as that. So that's all. That's it. All your unread emails should now be marked as read. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.